Hi guys, it's Chef Olive from Chef Olive's Ingredients. Today I'm here with my mom, and we are going to be making s'mores. So what you're going to need for this is a stick, some puffy marshmallows, some graham crackers, and some Hershey's chocolates, and a plate. So first, you are going to put your graham crackers in half, and you're going to have one, two, three. You're gonna have four. You're gonna have four. I'm gonna have four. It depends on how many you're going to be making.
If you're sandwiching, that's going to give us two.
So first, you are going to grab your jumbo marshmallow. You're going to put it on your stick. Ooh.
Okay.
Then you are going to go over to your stove and you're going to start roasting. You can also do it on a grill or fireplace or fire pit.
Whoa!
Whoa! And the crispier, the more creamier it is when you squish it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Whoa! It just got on
You
fire!
want to blow it?
Yeah.
Okay, now,
And now
get your chocolate bar.
you're going to get half a chocolate bar. And you're going to put it on your
want some
graham
out?
cracker like this. Then you're
I'll
going...
pull the stick out if you push it down.
I'll push it down.
Yeah,
then
with
you,
the graham cracker.
You use...
Sandwich them like that and
You
push
do that, and then you push out.
Hold on.
Oh. And then you push out.
Not gonna...
You press down.
Kind of messy.
Yeah, it's kind of messy. That's why you have to ask
Oh,
for
well, maybe we
parent
need to do it like
permission.
this. Oh, I see why. Okay.
And this
We'll try
is
another
a
one.
messed up one.
Very messy, but I bet it tastes.
Yeah, I bet it tastes good.
Why don't you take a bite and you can tell them.
Okay, I'll take a bite of this. It's really sticky. Oh no, it just fell off. Ah. It's getting really
I don't
messy.
have any chocolate. I'll put them on. Okay, here. Oh yeah, that looks like a way a s'more is supposed to. What are you doing? Need to wipe your hands?
I'm gonna wash them. Okay, I went to wash my hands and dry my face off, but that tasted good. Do you want a less messy one? We'll make one. Oh,
It's mine.
oh, she just made hers.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think I'm gonna make like another one so it doesn't turn out as messy. Did you get another plate?
I let mine go char a little bit more so it pushes that center down. If it's not hot enough, then it pushes the marshmallow at the other end.
Okay, got this. Put in half.
Oh, another plate?
Yeah. So I got, I'm gonna use another, oh, my marshmallow fell on the floor. Use another jumbo marshmallow. Reduce, reuse, recycle, so I'm gonna use the same stick. If you wanna use a different stick, you can. I'm just gonna use the same stick because reduce, reuse, recycle, right? There we go. And make sure to use parent permission before turning the stove on.
That was the best s'more I've ever had. Let's try the back one. Okay. There you go. You don't want it to touch the bottom. You really just want to catch a flame like that. Then just start rotating it around. Do you have your chocolate out?
Nope. And
Go ahead and get the chocolate and I'll finish this.
And I'll get the chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Get that chocolate there. So I'm about to blow this out.
Does it open?
Super charred. Okay.
Do, 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 do.
All right, hurry, our marshmallow's gonna start cooling.
No.
Mm-hmm. You got it? Looks like you got it.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
So what you're gonna do is
So I'm gonna
push it
turn
down,
it down a little.
and
gonna
then
push
push
it
it down. I'm gonna pull the stick up. This is.
Ooh, that's so messy.
Oh goodness gracious! Here, put it
but
back.
that was a messy.
That's nice and creamy though.
Yeah. I'm gonna try it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna show my face because it might be like really messy.
What do you think?
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna go wash my face off.
I'm gonna stop. Stop. All right, so please, right?
That was Chef Olive's ingredients making s'mores. Hope to see you hope to see you in my next recipe. Bye.